Can you please read the product, guys? Complete phytonutrients. With how much phytonutrients? 60,000. Let's try to recall the product C10 number 7. When we talk about C10 number 7, people, it contains how much phytonutrients? 3,000. Which only means that our product C10 number 7 contains more 6,000 phytonutrients than that of Complete. And the next question is, Doc, is the product Complete a good product? Yes. Remember, guys, 6 years ago, that was the product that made me become part of Beam Global. But the second question is, Doc, do we need to explain everything again? Not anymore. Why? Because all of the products of Complete, or all of the components of Complete, are now part of what product? C10 number 7. Next, another product that is also present in C10.